Okay, here's the situation. I've got a slow puncture in this rear left tire on the Range Rover, and I'm going to use the Rivian air pump to get it back up to pressure and drive it down to the repair shop. Okay, so here's the trunk of the Rivian, and we're going to get the air kit out. Oh, there's a little baggie here with the attachments in it, and then the actual hose attachment here, so I'm going to go connect that. This little baggie here has got stuff for pumping up a football or something, and then this one has got the tire adapter. I'll be using that. I don't have a flat that I need to fix. This is the sealer kit for puncture repair. I'm not going to be using that. And then here's the hose itself. I unwrapped it earlier, and it's a bugger to get back into that little packet, so it was just sitting there. So we're going to hook this up and get it going. Okay, here's the little tire attachment. I'm going to put that on there. Oops. A little tricky. There we are. So that's ready to go on the car end. And then here's the attachment that's going to go on the pump at the Rivian end. Okay. Okay, that's on. Okay, now I'm going to set the pressure to 42 psi, which is what the Range Rover needs apparently. All the way up there. 42. Then I'm going to attach the adapter here. That goes on nice and tight. And then we'll press play. Away we go. So it's pumping away. See how long it takes. Just doing its thing. A little urban adventure. Oh, you can see that coming up nicely now. Yeah. Bingo. We are done. Okay, I turned it off and disconnect everything. There you go. Disconnect here. Put the cap back on. And I'll get this down to the tyre shop real quick before it goes down again. See what's up with it. Maybe a little nail in there or something. So I'm just going to pile all that stuff in here for now while I take the trip down to the shop with the other car.